Hello everyone, on our way to Expo 2020.
Like an airport, Gab.
We're boarding, guys.
It's time to board the airplane. We're now going through security checks.
Expo 2020 opened one of its thematic pavilions last January 22 to the public, Terra, the Sustainability Pavilion. Terra is a Latin word which means earth. This pavilion highlights how human behavior impacts the environment and how we can help to preserve and protect it.
Use both hands. Up, up, and hit. Whoa.
You could marvel through the forest roots or explore under the ocean as you learn more about our planet. There are several informative interactive activities on site, but you don't have to worry touching them as there are hand sanitizer dispensers around each one.
You have lived 100 years in the past. How much is this? Mommy, what would you save? What would you save? The three things that you would save.
Gabriel, Papoy,
No, things.
I think. Passport. Passport.
You can't say money because we don't have any.
Yeah.
became rich, what would you spend the majority of your money on? Helping your community. Next. Your wealth, your family and friends.
Helping the world.
Helping the world.
Just
That's where we are. You're eating all the animals. Are you?
Are you eating all the animals?
Really? What do you eat?
I eat someone.
Then it's right there. Are you tired?
You have tried both of the pavilions?
Yeah.
Perfect. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
It was amazing?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Which one did you like most?
The nature.
The nature.
Expo 2020 Sustainability Pavilion is open 5 days a week at 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on Tuesday to Thursday and 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Friday and Saturday. Tickets are sold online at 25 dirhams and free admission is available for kids 5 years and below. There are 2 more upcoming thematic pavilions, Mobility and Opportunity, that will open soon until April. This experience is definitely a treat for UAE residents and visitors before its grand opening on October 2021. Aside from exploring the Sustainability Thematic Pavilion, we had a glimpse of some impressive, though still under construction, world pavilions surrounding Terra. This is just a sneak peek of the much-awaited world's greatest show, and we are already in awe. You may want to pay it a visit and have a glance of the upcoming Expo 2020.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.